Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix Binance facial verification problem. So in order to fix your facial verification problem, or if you're unable to log into your Binance account because of your facial verification issue, what you can do is while you're doing a facial verification, so they need a real unaltered image to match with one of your IDs that you've created. And so before you snap the verification pic, make sure you turn off any filters or effect and keep it as natural as possible. And apart from it, you can also try updating your Binance application. If there is any update available, head over to your respective app store, search Binance on the search bar and tap the update if you see any. Sometimes you might also be wearing some props such as hat, glasses, mask, or any sort of things. You should try removing them and take facial verification steps. So in this way you can fix your facial verification on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.